Hi, my name is Tim Morgan and I'm an e-learning coordinator at Queen Mary University of London and Central St Martin's. And I am here until December in the Dorotheestrasse at the Humboldt University. I have been asked by Frau Wiemer and Frau Graufeneder if I would show you how to create online tutorials. This is something that I do quite a lot in my work anyway. And to do this, we're going to be using a piece of software called OBS, which stands for Open Broadcasting Software. Now, it is really, really good for creating how-to videos, how to explain something, pre-recorded lectures, and also for live streaming, which is something that's very, very exciting. And if we have time, we'll kind of touch on that as well. So we'll be together for 90 minutes. And we're just going to, by the end of this session, you'll understand how to use the software and how to kind of create an example. And ideally, you'll actually work on something that you actually want to work on. Now, everything that you can see here is good things to know. Okay, so it's endorsed by the university. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows. And it is free to download. So it's all good. Now, just to give you a sense of what you can do with OBS, this tutorial that you're looking at right now, or this sort of introduction, this welcome, is created in OBS. So the slides that you can see me moving through here, these are created in PowerPoint, and then they're imported into OBS, and then I can kind of control them from within the software, so I can just sort of move through them. The fact that I am in the top right-hand corner, I've got a logo in the top left-hand corner, that's all controllable by me. I set all that up to start with. Equally, if I want to cut to full screen, I can do that. I can put any kind of text or banner at the bottom that I want to. I can take that out when I want to. I can move through and put it back in. And if I want to display a browser window, I can do that, and I can then, I've got all the control of that browser window that I want. I can move between different tabs, so it's very, very flexible. And again, I am in the bottom bottom right-hand corner, but again, that's my choice. Now, just to prove that I don't have to be in this video, I'm going to cut to another scene, what we call a scene. And this is the interface of OBS. And you can see that there is something called scenes, that's bottom left. And I'm going to be explaining what those are. Scenes have sources, and basically that's how you build up this, this collection of elements, if you like. And if I just quickly show you another element, you can see that that is that I'm just sort of moving through scenes here. This sort of blue bar that's moving up and down in the scenes area indicates the name of the scene, and you can see that in the sources there are different elements. So that's just an insight and a flavor, if you like, into how this software works, but it's incredibly powerful. So I think I will say goodbye now. I'm really looking forward to our session together later on. I think we're going to be meeting in November, but I'm looking forward to that very much. And thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Goodbye.